Express your imagination and print your dreams. Hello everyone, welcome to Geeetech 3D Printing Awareness Room. I'm Joanna. Today I'd like to introduce you a beautiful set of chairs. See here, it is printed with Geeetech wood filament. Quite beautiful, I think. Not only beautiful but also practical and save money. If you print a set of chairs and put it in your home, you can play it with your family or friends during your stay at home. Okay, now I'll introduce you the full process of printing it and the final decoration. First, I made an adjustment for the model. I adjusted the bottom diameter to be 3 centimeters. And for the support, I added an extra cylinder as support for the bishop to make it look better. So the final effect would be better than the original one. The original model printed effect was not so good. These are adjusted one. Others are adjusted well. For slicing, I didn't do much change, just made the infill rate to be 52% to make it stronger. For 3D printing with wood filament, the printing temperature I mostly set is from 200 to 210 degrees. Now I finished printing and took it off the printer. I'm going to fix some of its flaws and polish it. After removing the bottom support, the bottom edge is not so smooth, so I need to remove the spare parts and polish it to make it neat and smooth. Then for the other parts, there are also small flaws or supports. Just remove it and polish it until you feel it good. Okay, finally I have polished them, and now let's go outside and paint them. Let's go! Okay, now we are in the outdoor. We will paint it with two colors. One is transparent, another one is scarlet red. After painting it will be damp-proof and prevent your hand sweat from making it dirt. Also, it will be very beautiful after painting it. Okay, now let's paint it with the two colors. This is the transparent color. It would be better to paint it thick. And if the first time paint is not so balanced, you can paint it twice or even 3 times. Finally, I finished painting all of them. My friend and I spent the whole night painting them yesterday. We did it twice to make the colors more even and beautiful. You can see the effect now, more beautiful and glossy. Okay, next I want to handle the bottom. I will add a leather cushion for it to make it elastic. Then when I play it, it won't have voice like this. Also to make it wear resistance. Okay, let's do it. The bottom diameter I set is 3 centimeters. So we need to make a bottom cushion with 3 centimeter diameter. I choose leather as the material to make the bottom. I think it would be good looking as well as long time using. Okay, draw the shape of the bottom and then scissors out the shape and then glue it to the bottom of the chest. That's very simple. The others are same as this one. Just make the shape and glue it. See this? I finished all the side of the chest. A very successful 3D printing experience. I like them very much. So did my friend. Some of my friends asked me whether I can send this site to them for free, but I refused them because this is my first time to print the full side of chest and made it successfully. Very memorable experience for me. Do you want your own such a site of chess? You can comment below or contact us. I can send you the STL files. Of course, if you like our video, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!